In this video, we're going to be doing a full walkthrough on how to create a checkout page within Kajabi. I'm going to be showing you inside my account how I build out my checkout pages for maximum conversion. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi fan. And the definition of a hero is anyone that's made at least $1,000 on the Kajabi platform. And this is why I've put together this program, Zero to Kajabi Hero, to walk and talk you through everything you need to know to actually get from where you are today to Kajabi Hero and beyond. Before we jump into any of the training, I want to first of all make you an offer. I want to offer you my extended 30-day trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day trial that's available to the public. You can get access, simply head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and create your account today. And as soon as you've done this, I will automate you a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. These are the things that you need to do immediately once you unbox your Kajabi account. And if you stick around at the end of that 30 days to become a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I will grant you another course. It's my sales page templates. You can just download these in a theme and then upload them into your Kajabi account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So that being said, let's dive straight on over into the training. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so now it's time to actually build out our offer. Now just remember, the offer needs to host a product if you are actually delivering a product to somebody, and then that offer needs to be behind some call to action on a sales page or an opt-in page. So inside my partner's account, we have a few offers here. Let's go for the French vocab mastery. All you need to do is click on an offer, then it can give you some ideas here. So you've got offer details. It's a title, an internal title. It's a title for yourself. If you want it a little bit different, you can actually have a description or not. Remember to add the product in here. So you need to go through, select the product that you want to deliver, this offer to deliver, and then make sure it's there. You can either begin access at a specific day or restrict access to the amount of days. I'm going to leave those open. And then I like to take them straight through to the members product library. So once they open an account, they might have a email and password, so password protection, a page to actually create their account. And then they go through. You can either post-purchase email, like default email, or custom email. I just use a default email, so that will just deliver the thing. And then an automation here if you wanted to add a tag, or if you wanted to add them to a welcome email sequence or anything like that. You could just add an automation once the offer is purposed, then subscribe to an email sequence if you've built out that email sequence, a welcome sequence, for example. So I'm just going to go through and talk about the offer status. So you can either have it as draft or published. You can, grab the link. Once you grab the link, you can then share that with people. Then this offer is for free, and then make sure you actually have a thumbnail. Now, what we're going to be doing is, so you can edit the pricing in this tab here. So this one again is for free. This is where you can set the quantity limit or the time limit. And then if you wanted to go on any upsells are typically used for if you have a product, a low ticket product that people have actually put their credit card details in, you can then offer them something else for a one-click upsell. But because this is free, I don't tend to do that. I just tend to give them straight into the course. Then send customers to a third-party email provider. You could do that if you are linking out to MailChimp, Aweber, or anything like that. Get notified. I always like to get notified. I put my email in here. Send cart abandonment emails. I also like to put in like an hour later. And then if you're doing any affiliates, well, for a zero product, you probably wouldn't here. Then make sure you go to edit checkout. Once you have a look at what this looks like, here are some of the elements here. You've got a banner at the top that you can edit, and then you've got like the main body, and then this is the field here. You can always click preview if you wanted to see how it looked. So I would go through and build out this a little bit to see how it looks to you. I'm going to take you over into my Kajabi account and just show you one of the offers that I have live today. So this is for my Kajabi Unboxed offer. I offer this product. It delivers a course which is called Kajabi Unboxed. And now this is for anyone that signs up to Kajabi with my link. I have an external title and internal title the same. This is how I use it. goes straight to the members product library, and I have a new subscriber sequence that I add them to, so it just welcomes them. This is live right now because it's published and it's free, and there's my logo there. I have pricing, it's all free, so it should be no surprises there. And I connect it to Stripe, and I've got no quantity or time limit there. Upsells, I don't bother about this because it's a free offer. And then in settings, I notify myself, and then I send cart abandonment emails. So if you go to edit checkout, I'll take you through these. I don't tend to bother with a banner. I have a banner logo. It's just some artwork, but I quite like the look of it just being clean. So you can actually go through, preview this, and then that's how it's going to look, obviously without that top bit there. So Kajabi unboxed, and then what they're going to get. Always have down here a little bit like what reminder of what this program gives you. So this is how they're going to learn to set up their account in the right way, how to craft their initial products, and then how to create offers. So this is like the initial setup of your account, what to do, how to set it up, and what to activate. So looking down on the left hand side, you've got Kajabi Unboxed is the offer title. And then this is just if you wanted to do a little bit of HTML in the copy, this is how you put the copy together, and then call them to action. So simply add your best email address and click sign up for free. That's it. I don't have a video in here. You could put a video. I've got a hero image here which just says Kajabi Unboxed. It's exactly the same as the product. You could put some testimonials down here. You can add testimonials, but I've just tried to leave this as clean as possible. So the design, I've got my branded color, which is that blue, and then the actual action button is complete my purchase. If I enable this banner here, sometimes, I mean, I don't like to enable banners, but if I would, it would be something like that, like my branded colors. But I probably don't enable that. I just see it as wasted space, but that's my personal opinion, and you can put a logo in there as well. Then going down, form fields. I don't collect name, address, and phone number on this page. I like to collect name and password on the next page. So I see this as a little bit like an opt-in form. The less fields that they have to fill out, the more progress they're going to get. So if they fill out their email here and check a couple of boxes, get to the next page, then they need a password. Additional settings here, you can have a mobile layout. I usually have the checkout form on the bottom for a mobile. I don't really have a service agreement in here. I just put it on the bottom as my footer. And then logging requirement, returning members must log in. So this is the footer that I have in there as well. So this is my live product. I don't have an order bump in there, so I just click preview, and then that's how it's shown once somebody signs up to Kajabi using my link. This offer is then automated to their email inbox. So all they need to do is accept this offer, put their email address in. So I've got a couple of boxes here. I've read and agreed the terms and conditions. That's the terms at the bottom, and then an opt-in. So you can access all this stuff. If you go back into your settings, go into your main account and go into settings, like one of the first few lessons we did in this series, you can then edit the settings, the checkout settings in this page, and then you can put a custom messaging in here. So I'm just saying it's important to subscribe because we might need to email you about this product. So I have it as an unchecked opt-in box, and then I have additional options, automatically sign customers up to the email list. Opt-in by default, it's entirely up to you. You must be GDPR compliant if you're selling across the world, but this is how I like to set a free product up using my Kajabi, and yeah, hopefully that's helped. Go ahead and edit your opt-ins and edit your checkouts so you're happy with it, so you can just share it to the world. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you got something out of it and you managed to implement something. If you haven't done already, claim your free account. That link once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and look for that free mini course I'll be granting you. Check your spam if it's not there. And if you are progressing past that 30 days and you become a paying member like me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you that second mini course, which involves the sales page templates, so you can just download them and upload them into your Kajabi account. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.